We were gonna try to adjust the... I'm gonna whisper a little because Anton is really mad right now. We were gonna try to adjust the high and low beams so it's correct. And Anton wanted to try to put his knee here to adjust it, and he broke the light or the cover. No. Anton. Oh.
That focus though.
But that knee though.
Ska vi visa dem vad fan som hände eller?
Ja, jag har filmat lite, jag satt där borta och viskade. jag satt så här bara, Anton is really mad right now so I'm gonna whisper. Så jag så här bara, he destroyed it. Oh. Anton, do you want to show what your knee did? As I was saying, when we were trying to adjust the high and low beams setting in height adjustment, Anton pushed his knee in on the light itself, which actually made it break. He tried to do it like this, and yeah, it's... Du tar sönder den i morgon. Fuck! But the good thing on side is that he now gets a new glass here, and it's very fresh, because this one is not so fresh. So at least it's gonna look good. Yes. Anton, hur mår du?
Hur jag mår?
Ja.
Jag sörjer för min plånbok blir pank. Det här behöver du inte.
Hello. So my friends, we have fixed windshield washer fluid. We also fixed the trailer contact, and we're right done with the high and low beams. And that basically means that we have suspension and fog lights. Yes, sir. That means that next time we'll be fixing the suspension and installing some new fresh BC coilovers that Anton ordered.
Yeah.
Basically, that is 2 or 3 weeks away.
Yeah, maybe.
And
That's hopefully gonna fix the stiffness part, because the inspection are complaining about that the front end isn't soft enough. So
point number 1 here says that suspension front, both sides, is stiff, basically.
yeah, I mean, I have no problems with it, but I guess that's a low life problem.
Yeah. So next time we'll see you guys. Will basically be in 2 to 3 weeks, maybe. And
No, it's only gonna take them seconds because.
Yeah. Okay.
See ya. And we're back 1 week later, and the coils have arrived. Yeah, lady.
Okej, jag med en gång nu. Nu är jag igång en gång, så pratar jag. Okay. Hello, we're back 1 week later, and the coils have finally arrived.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna unbox them and mount them on the car.
So yeah, I have spec'd out them. So it's BC BR series with 10K springs in front and drop low knuckle and yeah, pillow bus.
Pillow ball.
No, it's not pillow ball.
No?
It's fan heter gummi på engelska?
Rubber.
Yeah, rubber bushing on top because I don't want the pillow ball. Just because I'm dailing it. So yeah. And because of Swedish winter, I have this top. So yeah, to surround the springs and coilover. So yeah, time to mount it on the car. I really hate rust. It's the worst thing in the world. Yeah, and as we call it in Sweden, this is sopslut. Yeah, it's a pretty big difference. And as always, when you're doing springs, you need to lower them. Raising them up isn't an option. Hashtag low life. That's 2 points down on the list, and hopefully it will settle a little bit better. So yeah, the fitments is going to be on point. Next time you will see us, we're gonna fix the headlights, so be with us. A little bit more happier now, because last time I was pissed off. But today we got the new stuff. So
Tick tack, tick tack.
so yeah,
Kan du inte ta i
time
normala
to
lyktorna?
change it.
Ta i normala lyktorna.
It's yeah. It's time to change it. Jo, visst är det lite jobb.
Just det.
And that was the last point. So we're finally done. This video took a long time, almost a month of working and waiting on parts and stuff. So if you want to, give a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.